I gotta go ahead and speed this up and head out to work. So go ahead and show you really quick how to make this. It's super easy, and let's get started. I'm gonna go ahead and share with you guys how I make it. We're gonna need some chicken thighs. I grabbed drumsticks also for Elijah because he's smaller. You're gonna need orange juice, any kind of orange juice. You're gonna need some chili anchos, some chili guajillos, potatoes, some cloves. You're gonna need some thyme, some oregano, some comino, some bay leaves, some pepper, white onion, garlic, and salt. I always like to have dinner ready about time the kids are home and my husband's home from work. Here we already cleaned our chicken. I already added it into the warm water. What I do is I wash my chicken before I put it in the pot, and I also clean it, so I take off all the white, as much as white part I can take off the chicken. Then I add it into the water. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna add some onion. Okay guys, so we have the chicken in here with 5 bay leaves, 3 garlics, and a half an onion. We're gonna go ahead and leave it boiling for about maybe an hour. We transferred the chicken into another pot with no water. We're gonna go ahead and just let it set. We're gonna go ahead and start the chili and cut the potatoes. Cut up some potatoes in dices. We peeled them, we washed them, and we're gonna go ahead and boil them while we make the chili. Started to boil our chili. There's 8 guajillos. There's 2 chili anchos pasillas. We are about to make our chili. I do have the 2 garlics that we took from the boiled water when we did the chicken because they're much softer, or you can just use the whole garlic. We got the salt, the pepper balls, cominos, we have cloves, thyme, oregano, and we have some water. We're gonna go ahead and blend it all up. You only need a little bit of water, just enough to blend it up, and we're gonna add it to our chicken. We're gonna go ahead and use this spoon here. We're gonna grab a little bit of each. We're gonna go ahead and add it up, a cup of water, blend it, and we're gonna add this to our chicken. We are frying up our chicken. Before we put our spices from the macajete, you want to strain the oil. Make sure your chicken is a little toasty before you put in the spices. If you guys do not have a macajete, you guys can also use a blender. Okay guys, so here we're gonna blend the chili with 4 bay leaves. You can use the ones that you did boil your chicken with. A splash of orange juice, a splash of vinegar, and some salt. Just gonna add it into our chicken. After you guys transfer over the chili, make sure you guys strain it. Add your potatoes. You guys can add anything else for flavor. I add 2 chicken cubes. Let it simmer for 20 minutes and serve. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Catch you guys on the next vlog.